Here, I'll demonstrate a typical transaction with a cashier. Following the transaction, your client can ask for a receipt. This is the way to print it. The receipt sheet will display the last transaction, but you can also reprint or view the previous transactions. Here, I'll walk you through the process of adding new items, updating pricing lists, checking when an item's quantity is running low, and refilling an existing item. This is where you may view the revenue you have earned in the transaction sheet. Here is how to remove an item from the customer cart. Simply select the whole row and delete it. The item will automatically be put back into inventory, and the grand total will be updated. You have also the option to just click the reset button to empty the customer cart. One of the cool features of this tool is the auto restore code. This is to keep system functioning even you accidentally edited the cell that has a formula or code. Of course, in order to prevent discrepancies, this tool also has the ability to block those invalid inputs and errors. Additionally, you can delete all transactions history with a single click. Sometimes you might need to change the series of the receipt number. Here is how you do it. By just pressing the Clear Item List button, you can also remove all of the items from the list. This is required the first time you use the tool, or you may simply reset the item list and create a fresh list of items to sell. No need to edit on the column I, J and K. It has a formula to automatically check their values. The cashier sheet needs these columns. The item is automatically available on the cashier sheet as soon as it is listed here. Of course, a point-of-sale tool must support return or refund transactions. This is the method for doing it. Follow me for more tips and tricks.